If you tow a trailer regularly, you know how crucial a solid electrical connection is for safety and functionality. But what happens when your 5-way flat vehicle connector is exposed to dirt, water, and rust? Over time, these elements can corrode the wiring terminals, causing connection failures and costly repairs. The good news: you can protect your connector easily and keep your trailer lights and brakes working flawlessly with a simple dust cover designed specifically for 5-way flat plugs. Step 1. Choose the right dust cover. Look for a dust cover made from durable molded rubber that resists rust and corrosion, even after repeated exposure to rain, snow, and mud. The cover should fit the industry standard 5-way flat vehicle connector snugly, ensuring no dirt or moisture can sneak in. A reliable cover will also have an attachment loop to keep it tethered to your wiring harness, so you never lose it when it's not in use. Step 2. Prepare your connector. Before installing the dust cover, make sure your 5-pin wiring plug is clean and dry. Wipe away any dirt or debris that might have accumulated. This simple step helps maintain a strong electrical connection and prevents corrosion from starting underneath the cover. Step 3. Install the dust cover. Installation is quick and tool-free. Simply press the dust cover onto the vehicle side of your 5-way flat connector. The friction fit holds it securely in place, protecting the wiring terminals from dirt, water, and rust. When you're ready to tow, just pull the cover off and plug in your trailer wiring. The attachment loop keeps the cover handy and prevents it from getting lost in your garage or truck bed. Step 4. Maintain your connection. Regularly check the dust cover and wiring plug for signs of wear or damage. Keeping the cover in place whenever you're not towing extends the life of your connector and reduces the risk of electrical failures on the road. Many users report that this simple accessory prevents corrosion and keeps their trailer lights working longer, saving time and money on repairs. By following these steps, you'll protect your 5-way flat vehicle connector from the elements and ensure a reliable, long-lasting connection every time you hitch up. Don't let dirt and rust compromise your trailer's safety. Keep this dust cover on hand and enjoy peace of mind on every trip.